Add a touch of elegance, creaminess, and tons of flavor with my mushroom and brie soup recipe. Start by preparing all of your mushrooms by cutting them in quarters. And then you're also going to want to cut your onions in wedges. Transfer your prepared mushrooms and onions on a sheet pan with parchment paper, then cut the tops of garlic bulbs and place them on there too. Drizzle everything with olive oil, and then sprinkle with some salt. Roast the veggies in the preheated oven until golden brown, and then remove the bulbs of garlic. Transfer the veggies to a Dutch oven, and then squeeze out the cloves of garlic into the pot. Add in the broth, and then bring it to a simmer with all of the spices. Once the soup is simmering, add in the cubes of brie, and then stir until all the brie is fully melted. Remove the Dutch oven from the heat, and then carefully blend the soup with a stick blender. Blend until very smooth, and then carefully whisk in the heavy cream. And just like that, you're ready to serve this delicious mushroom and brie soup with some fresh parsley. I hope you get to try this one soon. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.